all
Who's
smiled
a little
out. He's
guy?
been up for a long time, so he's probably going
Who's
to
a
lose
little
it.
guy?
He's
Who's a
probably
little
going to
guy?
lose it sometime soon here.
It's dinner time. Ooh.
You could show him Elvis. I brought him in too. Elvis. He likes Elvis. He likes to look at his face. Hi! Hi, bud! Hi! Woo! I'm surprised he hasn't gotten upset yet. Yeah! He kicked that toy with his feet and fell down and kicked it. And he kind of, I don't know, was watching it as it went flying. You're tired, aren't ya?
Yeah, what? Hi, baby. Who's a happy baby? Who's a happy baby? You are. Yay!
Hi, Julian. Hi,
Yay!
sweetie. Hi.
Oh, who's the happy baby?
You want to blow some bubbles? Shit.
Someone's at the
Can you
door.
ignore that?
Trick or treat.
You want me to get it?
Trick or treat.
Hi. Oh, sorry, we're not interested. Some creepy old guy selling those coupons.
Sweet.
Creepy. Uh-oh. Is that on?
What?
Is that on the video? He's gonna get mad. He's gonna lose it. That's his I'm going to lose it noise.
You're not gonna lose it.
Yeah, he is. He's been awake a long time.
You're not gonna lose it. That's not what babies do. Who's a happy baby? Yeah, you are. You are. You like to do stuff.